Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Genome offers a comprehensive product called Genome, designed to provide insights into your genetic predispositions related to various health aspects. This includes areas like cardiovascular health, cancer risks, and responses to different medications. By analyzing your DNA, Genome aims to give you a personalized roadmap to better health management. The information provided can be instrumental in making informed decisions about your lifestyle, diet, and even family planning. Understanding your genetic blueprint empowers you to take proactive steps towards mitigating potential health risks and optimizing your well-being. The service appears to be available through their website at mapmygenome.in/products/genome. While the website provides a wealth of information, consulting with a healthcare professional is always recommended before making any major health decisions based on genetic testing results. Remember that genetic information is just one piece of the puzzle, and other factors like environment and lifestyle also play significant roles. Genome provides a valuable starting point for understanding your predispositions, enabling you to engage in more personalized and preventative healthcare. This proactive approach can lead to a healthier and more fulfilling life. Exploring your genetic makeup can be a fascinating journey of self-discovery, offering valuable clues about your body's unique needs and potential vulnerabilities. By understanding these factors, you can take control of your health and make informed choices that align with your genetic profile. It is important to note that while genetic testing can provide valuable insights, it is not a predictive tool for definitively determining future health outcomes. Instead, consider it a guide for proactive health management and informed decision-making.